In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Payoneer account. Payoneer is a cross-border payment and money transfer service that makes it easy to get paid by your international clients. The company has been around since 2010 and it has millions of users worldwide. First, go to the Payoneer website at payoneer.com and click the Sign Up Now button to start the registration process. You'll be asked to enter some basic information and then you'll be taken to the next step. After you fill all of your informations, you will be asked to create a new account. You'll need a unique account number and an account password. You'll also be asked to enter some basic account information. This includes your name, contact information, and banking information. Once you've entered these informations, review and click Create My Account. Now, you'll need to confirm your identity and activate your account. You'll need to provide a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or a passport. After all this process, Payoneer will let you know when you can expect to receive it back in the email. After you've received it, log back into your account and confirm it's the correct ID and that the picture matches you. Once that has been done, you'll be able to activate your account and start using it to receive payments. Now, you'll need to set up your payment method and a payment address. You can use your credit card or bank account to receive payments. Payoneer charges a 2.75% fee to receive payments using a credit card. You can save some money by using a debit card instead. You'll need to enter your debit card information and select your bank. After that, lastly, you'll need to set up a receiving account and currency. This determines where you'll receive the money. You can select from more than 160 currencies and have the option to add multiple currencies. This gives you more options when it comes to receiving payments. Once you've completed all the registration processes, you'll need to wait for your background check to be completed. This process takes about 10 to 15 business days. You'll receive an email when your account is approved and ready to be used. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to start receiving payments from clients in other countries. You can choose how you want each payment to be delivered. You can decide to receive payments as a check or as direct deposit to your bank account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money